Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the spark plugs on a 1.8 supercharged Yamaha. This one specific is 2018 FX SVHO. Before I get started, you're going to need a 10mm socket. You need a 5/8 or 16mm spark plug socket. I got 2 3/8 extensions, torque wrench, 3/8 impact, obviously spark plugs. Let's get to it. Whoosh, horrible. These shits are bad. Obviously, we all know if you had one of these jet skis for long, for some reason humidity seeps through these coils and they trap themselves inside the spark plug hole, and then all the salt or fresh water, whatever it is, kind of locks into the spark plug. So that's how it looks. Nonetheless, they're burning really black, so it's time for a change. Look at this shit. Look at this comparison. Godly. Oh, in they go. I'm gonna put them in lightly. You don't want to just drop them in there. You might bend this in a little close. You don't want that. These are gapped, pre-gapped from factory. So just try to place them in there. What I like to do is hand tighten these things with my hand first. All right, that one's there. All right, that's good. Factory recommends torquing these between 18 and 21 pounds. I stick to 20, so I got the torque wrench set at 20, and I'll just torque them one by one. All right. There you go. Perfect. Time to put these coils on. I recommend putting some dielectric grease on these plugs, maybe inside or on the tip of the spark plug. I already have these plugs, already have dielectric grease in them, so I'm good there. Same thing. Hand tighten these, then I'll torque them down. Torque these down at 10 foot-pounds. So it's always worked with me. I think you go to anything less, vibration will break them loose, and you start losing these screws into your hull. But 10 works fine with me. Alright, there's 15, 10. These birds today, chirping, chirping, chirping. All right.